Hello everyone, welcome to Standard 6 Mathematics class, Chapter 15, which deals with angles. The figure formed by two rays with same initial point is called an angle. The common initial point is called vertex of the angle, and the rays forming the angle are called its arms or sides. In the figure, the two rays which form the angles are rays OA and rays OB. In this angle, O is the vertex and the two sides of the angles are OA and OB. Naming an angle. How to name the angle? To name an angle, we name any point on one ray, then vertex, then any point on the other ray. The symbol used to denote the angle is this is the symbol which is used to denote the angle. Thus, we may name the above angle as suppose this angle. B is the vertex, so we name this angle as angle ABC or angle CBA or simply angle B. Similarly, this angle can be named as angle RPQ or QPR or simply angle P. This angle can be named as angle YZX or angle XZY or simply angle Z. Sometimes we name an angle as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 or angle X, angle Y, angle Z, etc. Suppose we name this angle as angle 1, we name this angle as angle Z. This is all about the naming of an angle. Now exterior and interior of an angle. An angle AOB divides the plane of the paper into three parts. One is the region of the plane lies inside the angle AOB called the interior of the angle AOB. Second part is the part of the plane consisting of all those points which lie on the arms of the angle is called the boundary of the angle AOB. And third part is the region of the plane that lies outside angle AOB, that is called exterior of angle AOB. So an angle divides the plane into three parts. One is the interior of the angle, second one is the exterior of the angle, and third one is the boundary of the angle. Look at this figure. The points P, Q and R. The points P, Q and R lie inside of the angle AOB. So these are interior points of angle AOB. Now the points O, A, B and D and E, F which lie on the boundary of the angle AOB. The points X, Y and Z lie outside of the angle AOB. So these are the exterior points of angle AOB. Which points are exterior of the angle? Point X, point Y and point Z. Point Z are the exterior point of angle AOB. Now angle as a rotation of a ray. Suppose a ray OA starting from its initial position, rotates anti-clockwise about the point O and takes the final position B. Takes the final position OB. Then we say that angle AOB has been formed with O as vertex, OA and OB as its arms. Thus, the amount of the above rotation is called magnitude of angle AOB. Clearly, more is the opening between the arms of the angle, more is the magnitude of the angle. So between these two angles, angle ABC and angle DEF, it is very clear that magnitude of angle DAE is more than the magnitude of angle ABC. So angle DEF is measure of angle DEF is greater than the measure of angle ABC. Measurement of an angle. The standard unit for measurement of an angle is degree, which is denoted by degree. This symbol represents degree. Complete angle. A complete rotation of a ray OA about O makes an angle of 360 degree. The angle so formed is called complete angle. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes as written symbolically 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, symbolically written as 60 seconds. We denote the measure of angle AOB by MAOB. MAO means measure of angle AOB. Now protractor. We measure angle by an instrument called protractor. Protractor is the instrument which is used to measure an angle. It is shape of a semicircle. The diagram of a protractor is given. This is the diagram of protractor. The midpoint of its horizontal edge is called the central point. This is the central point. The straight angle at the central point is divided into 180 equal small divisions. You see, this central point is divided into 180 equal parts. And each small division measures 1 degree. A protractor has two scales, inner anticlockwise scale. You see, this is the inner scale, which is the anticlockwise scale. Outer clockwise scale, 0 to 180. Measuring angles using protractor. Place the protractor in such a way that its center is exactly on the vertex O. You see, in angle AOB, the central point of the protractor lie at the vertex of angle AOB. Now, and the baseline lies along OA. This is the baseline which lies along one arm of the angle AOB. Now read of the mark through which the arm OB passes, starting from 0 degree on the right. 0, that is, it is clearly passes through 43 degree. Hence, measure of angle AOB is 43 degree. That was the method 1. Now method 2. Place the protractor in such a way that its center is exactly that was example 1. Now this is example 2. Protractor exactly on the vertex Q and base line lies along PQ. PQ lies along base line and O is the central point of the center of the protractor lies exactly on the vertex of the angle PQR, vertex Q of the angle PQR. Now read up the mark through which the arm QR passes, starting from 0 degree on the left. So it is clear that it passes through 138 degree mark. Hence, angle PQR is equal to 138 degree. Now congruent angles. Two angles having same measure are known as congruent angles or equal angles. When two angles are equal in measure, at that time these two angles are said to be congruent angles. For example, here angle ABC is 45 degree and angle DEF is also 45 degree. Hence, angle ABC and angle DEF are congruent or equal angles. So this is all about the angles and the measure of the angle. Thank you for watching my video.